Talk about using essential oils and aromatherapies for someone who has cancer. Now, most people, when they have cancer, they're extremely sensitive to a lot of things that they wouldn't normally be sensitive to. So you always want to make sure if you use any essential oils for someone who has cancer, or if you do, that you have them smell in the most simple, gentle way. Just waft the lid of the container near them. Not right under their nose, but just near them so they can get a sense of what it smells like. And if they don't like it, don't use it. That's just a great rule of thumb in general with essential oils and aromatherapies. And so with cancer, you can use essential oils to make aromatherapies for nausea. I've made a beautiful nausea blend, and it's a mixture of lavender and some ginger and some peppermint and some other things. And that's profoundly effective if somebody's having serious nausea. You just rub it on the belly. If that's too sensitive, you can rub it on the hands or the feet. A little bit of lemongrass, you can use that in a diffuser like that. It's really good for clearing the air in the room. And you can also use it in a carrier oil. Shingles, that's another thing that you can treat. Shingles is very common when someone has cancer, and so you can do aromatherapy blends that will help to reduce the shingles. And neuropathy and circulation problems, those are very common for someone who has cancer, or even somebody who's just in the hospital, maybe they had a surgery or they're bedridden. Neuropathy is when somebody has extreme tingling in their extremities, or they can't really feel their extremities very well. And that is a very common side effect for people who have HIV and AIDS, and also people who have any kind of cancer. It's a side effect from medications generally. And so for neuropathy, you can make an essential oil blend. You could just do a little bit of peppermint and plain lotion, or peppermint and plain massage oil, and rub that on the hands and feet. And that it's really great for perking up the circulation and giving the area a little bit more positive sensation.